Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. President of the Jamaica Coffee Exporters Association, Norman Grant, is moving to address concerns about the piracy of Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee in China. Mr. Grant, who also heads the Mavis Bank Coffee Factory, says he's working to convene a high-level meeting next week with stakeholders including the Chinese ambassador to Jamaica, Jamaica's ambassador to China, and officials from the Ministries of Foreign Affairs and Agriculture, as well as the Jamaica Commodities Regulatory Authority. The aim is to tackle the growing issue of counterfeit Blue Mountain coffee appearing in the Chinese market. Caribbean Cement Company says it plans to export 28,000 tons of cement to Caribbean markets starting next month. It follows the recent completion of its US $42 million expansion plan. Managing Director Jorge Martinez tells RJR News that the plan will see a 150,000 ton expansion in production to 1.15 million tons annually. He added that the company generated revenues of $27.9 billion last year, despite the fall in annual output to 950,000 metric tons due to the plant shutdown. The company also indicated that it generated net profits of $2 billion on revenues of $8.2 billion during the first quarter of this year, compared with $1.9 billion on revenues of $7.6 billion for the comparative period last year. For the trading period ending July 21, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Online education platform One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 6,120,393 units traded, representing 27.12% of market sales volume. Financial conglomerate NCB Financial Group Limited with 3,193,531 units traded, representing 14.15% of market sales volume. Energy firm Innovative Energy Group Limited with 2,989,832 units traded, representing 13.25% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 21, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $62.43 million purchased and US $61.02 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.69 per dollar, selling the US at $161.17 and buying the US at $159.48. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.29 per transaction, with selling at $117.84 and buying at $116.55. The British pound yielded Forex traders $5.41 in profits, with selling at $215.05 and buying at $209.64. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're serious about building a business, start by checking your credit report. Before you design a logo, build a website, or pitch your first investor, pull your report, review it line by line, and understand your score. Why? Because your credit profile is often the first form of due diligence anyone will do on you as an entrepreneur. Lenders, landlords, suppliers, and partners don't just want to know what your business could do. They want to know how you handle responsibility. Your financial track record tells them that. So if you're in business or planning to be, your credit score isn't just personal, it's strategic. When you're building something from nothing and moving from financial recovery to financial resilience, take the reins, because healing your financial life is part of healing your story. As a professional woman over the age of 45, many of us inherited more than just recipes and traditions. From our family, we inherited fear, silence, and sacrifice around money. Whether it was watching your mother overextend herself, settle for less, or remain financially dependent, the message was often, don't ask for too much. Be careful, stay small. But we don't have to live by those stories anymore. Now is the time to challenge what we learned, rewrite what we were taught, and take bold action to create financial lives rooted in freedom, not fear. Here are some suggestions. Identify and rewrite the money messages you were taught as a child. Then learn the difference between income and wealth. And then practice confident money conversations. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.